Do you want to say what you're doing? What are you doing? Are you a good dog? Rayma! No, 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 no. You're a good dog. You give too many kisses. You're a good dog. Yeah. Or, yeah. No, 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 Rayma. Sit in the bedroom. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Do you not like being in front of the camera? Oh no. Oh no. Why you want to smell my hand? Is there a reason for that? I think there's no reason for that. What if I said, you're rotten? What if I said, do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? What if I said that? What if oh my. What if I said you want a treat? Because you are going to get a treat after this video. You know? You know? We have treats. And you're going to get one. Does that make you feel special? Even though you're a fat chihuahua, doesn't it make you feel even more special? Don't worry, you're special. You've got treats. Yeah.